Hey guys, we just had this 17.6 kilowatt system installed. It's pretty neat. It's only been out for a couple days. We don't even have the site cleaned up yet completely, but it was just a winter solstice and it produced 108 kilowatt hours during that day, which I think was impressive for this little system. I think part of the reason it's able to gather so much sun is because we have it up on this empty solar mount, which allows us to tilt it and follow the sun. So it's at 60-degree tilt right now. And also these are bifacial panels, which may help. You can see the sun shining. The sun's behind a few clouds right there, but it's still producing 12s right now. The other day on the winter solstice, we maxed out at 17.3 kilowatts. And then again for the whole day on the summer solstice, it was 108. And my friend has a similar size system, roof mounted, fixed at 30 degrees. And on that day he pulled in the 80s. So I think the tilt and the bifacial on this mounting system makes a significant difference. If you guys have any questions, comment below. I'll be sure to respond. I'll probably make more videos about the solar array as time goes on. Thanks again for watching. Bye.